Today we are going to discuss class 3 mathematics chapter number 4 long and short. long माने लंबा होता है, short माने छोटा होता है. Now we are going to see long and short chapter. Long and short. Lali is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy rope. Here is a rope, you can see. A father comes, here is a father comes to Lali shop to buy a rope. Can you give me 7 arms of rope? The farmer asked. Lali, here is your 7 arms of rope. Lali used her arms to give 7 arms of rope. But what happened? But this is only 6 arms long, the farmer told, because she used her arms to measure the rope. But arms, how we have to measure? The shoulder, from here to the arm. This is actually arm length, from shoulder to this area. So this is one arm, but she has used her arms. That is what the length of the rope. She could measure only 6 arms long. Why don't you measure your arm with this rope and take 7 times of that length? So the farmer measures his arm with the rope, and Lali gives him 7 times that much rope. So again what happened? The farmer used his arms to measure the rope. 7 times he measured. 7 times he measured. Why this type of difference happening when we are measuring the ropes? Because the arms are, the length of the arms are differ from person to person. She is very small, so her arm's length is very less, but the farmer's arm length is something bigger than her arm length. So the measuring your arm or your mother's arm, what is the difference? Definitely mother's arm will be bigger than your arm. Am I correct? Yes, definitely, because your mother's arm is longer than yours. That is what her, when she measures 7 times, it is not exactly 7 times of the length of the farmer, because the length of arms is vary from person to person. Now guessing, how many? In how many steps will Darji cross the road? He is Darji. He want to cross the road. He want to cross the road. Here one step, you see. This is one step. 1, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, and 5 steps. So totally how many steps he need to cross the road? He needs 5 steps. 5 steps to cross the road. Step measurement also not the standard. It is non-standard measuring units. Now how many cups can be placed in the line on this table? Here in the textbook you can see only 2 cups. Now how many can be placed in this table? 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally how many cups can be placed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cups we can place in a line on this table. Now how many pots can be placed to reach the tree. Here in the textbook it is given 2 parts. Now how many more parts can be placed? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally how many parts can be placed? 6 parts. Totally 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 parts to reach the branch of the tree. 6 parts can be placed. 6 parts can be placed to reach the branch of the tree. How many shirts can be hung on this wire? Here is the wire. Here one shirt is hanging. Now like this, how many shirts can be placed, or how many shirts can hung in this wire? 1, 2, 3. My guessing here 3 shirts can be placed on the wire, or can be hung on the wire. Now how much is a centimeter? Now here we are going to study about the standard unit. Centimeter we used to say short form cm. cm on a centimeter, m on a meter, centimeter. Now in your scale, everybody is having the scale. In that scale you can find the centimeter scales. 1 centimeter, from 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, 1 to 2, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, like that. You can, that is 15 centimeters are there in this plastic scale. Now how we can use these plastic scales? Now each 1 centimeter, if you observe in your scale, there will be 10 small lines will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 small lines are called millimeter. They are called mm. 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter का अंदर कितना मिलीमीटर होता है? 10 millimeter. इसका अंदर कितना होता है? 10 mm. Small unit is millimeter. 10 mm. M on a milli, another m on a millimeters, short form mm. In 1 to 2, how many millimeter will be there? 10 millimeter will be there. There will be 10. 2 to 3, how many millimeters will be there? 10 millimeter will be there. There are 10 small lines. Each line are called millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 line together makes 1 centimeter. Like that the scales are drawn properly. It is printed exactly. This is called standard unit of measuring length. Previously we have seen the non-standard unit. Now whoever measure, the answer will be same. But in the previous cases the arm length are differ from person to person. But here it is not like that. When we are using the standard scale, this is a standard unit of measuring units. So here for example, the length of the matchstick, when you start from 1, here it is kept in the 1, so you have to count from 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. It is length of the matchstick is 4 centimeter. You should not say that it is a 5 centimeter, because we kept the matchstick from 1 centimeter. हम लोग को 1 centimeter को ऊपर रखा है, इसलिए हम लोग को इधर से शुरू करना है. 1 इधर से इधर, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to say. Don't say that it is a 5 centimeter length. It is 4 centimeter long. Now you see the lizard. Lizard का length, can you, lizard the mouth you see, it is start from 0. So if it is start from 0, you can say that the length of the lizard is 13 centimeter. There will be no problem, because from the 0 we are measuring. When you start from 0, as it is you can tell the number. But when you start from 1, you have to count it. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So the length of matchstick is 4 centimeter. Now the dice is 1 centimeter from every side. You see the length of the dice. From 3 to 4, it is 1 centimeter length. It is 1 centimeter length. So the dice is 1 centimeter from every side. All the sides it is 1 centimeter only, because it is a cube dice. So dice all the sides are 1 centimeter only. What they are telling? ये 1 centimeter, yes sir 1 centimeter, ये 1 centimeter, पूरा side 1 centimeter होता है. Now lizard is 13 centimeter. Already I told you the length of the lizard in the previous scale, it is 13 centimeter long. The leaf. Now shall we write the leaf length? It is from 8 to 12. So count from 8. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So the length of the leaf is 4 centimeter. Okay children. So the length of the leaf is 4 centimeter. Now the wax color crayon. The length of the crayon, because the crayon is kept from 0. When it is exactly from 0, you can write the last end point is 7. So we can say 7 centimeter, because they started counting from the 0. When you count from 0, it is exactly 7 centimeter. There is no doubt. Now look at a scale that you find in a geometry box. आपका geometry box का अंदर scale होता है. How many centimeters does it have? Maybe 15 centimeter scale. Some scales are 30 centimeter scale. थोड़ा wooden scale होता है 30 centimeter का, और बहुत लंबा वाला सेंटीमीटर होता है, that is 100 centimeter का scale भी होता है. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter actually 1 meter. 100 centimeter 1 meter, that you will study later. Okay, so now in your plastic scale, minimum 15 centimeter will be there in your scale. 0 to 15 will be there. Now the small scale that you mostly use in school is like this only. Like this scale only we are using in our school. 0, here 15. The length of the scale is 0 to 15. That when you keep the things to measure from 0, you can, it is easy for you to write the measurement, because it is easier to start measuring from 0 mark. When the things are kept in 0, आपको easy होता है. Look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their length. What are the little lines on the scale? What are the little lines on the scale? The little line, छोटा line को क्या बोलता है? 1 2 3. They are called millimeter. They are called millimeters. Little line, that is a small lines बोलते हैं, या little line 1 2 3 4. ये 1 तक 0 to 1, 0 से 1 तक how many छोटा लाइन होता है? उसमें 10 लाइन्स होता है. How many small lines will be there? 10 small line. Each line are 1 millimeter. 10 small lines will be there. How many little lines or small lines will be there? 10. 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. So the smallest unit of measuring length is millimeter. So आप लोग क्या क्या पढ़े हैं? मिलीमीटर के बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए. सेंटीमीटर माने क्या है? Then meter. These three terms we studied here. Before that, when the lesson starts, we know about the non-standard unit, non-standard measurements, non-standard measurement. That is like arm length, steps, how many length, what is the length of your arms. So that will vary from person to person. That is not common for all the person. So that is non-standard. हम लोग आजकल वो use नहीं करना है. But olden days they were using the non-standard measures of unit. But nowadays this is a standard unit. Millimeter, centimeter, meter. Whoever use this scale will get the same answer. For example, here you see the length of the first one 1 centimeter. The object is 1 centimeter. Next one clip is given. It is a 2 centimeter length. Another, this object you see, this is 3 centimeter length. One nail is there, it is exactly 4 centimeter, because we start from 0. So we can write it is 4 centimeter. Let us see. Look for things that are 10 centimeter long. Question number 1. Question number 2, between 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter long. Question number 3, less than 1 centimeter long. So we have to find the things which length is 10 centimeter long, 10 to 20 centimeter long things you have to select, less than 1 centimeter long. So like that I am going to write the things. Answer, the list of things having length about 10 centimeter. Screwdriver nearly 10 centimeter length होगा. ये इलेक्ट्रीशियन यूज तो स्क्रू ऐसा होता है. ये स्क्रू ड्राइवर का लेंथ जो है 10 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, 10 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, इतना लेंथ होता है. स्पैनर ऑल्सो 10 सेंटीमीटर. टॉप द लेंथ ऑफ द टॉप मे बी 10 सेंटीमीटर. टॉप ऐसा टॉप होता है ना, वी यूज टू प्ले विथ द रोप. दिस इज द टॉप. सोप केक, सोप लक्स or any soap, the length is 10 centimeter. Budge, like that we can write so many things which is 10 centimeter long. Now second one answer, between 10 centimeter and 20 centimeters are electric iron, frog, spoon, bottle, water bottle, rolling pin. So it is between 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter. The length may be 10 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Now third, we are going to write the object less than 1 centimeter long. Nail, आपका nail. Ant देख लेना, वो बहुत छोटा होता है, उसका लेंथ में भी less than 1 centimeter. ant ऐसा होता है ना, इसका लेंथ is less than 1 centimeter, not more than. टर्माइट्स, ये तो वाइट एंड बोलता है. बीन्स आपको वेजिटेबल होते हैं ना, बीन्स, वो भी लेस देन 1 सेंटीमीटर का होता है. पीस, दैट इज आल्सो लेस देन 1 सेंटीमीटर. दिस वेजिटेबल लेस देन 1 सेंटीमीटर. टर्माइट्स, इट इज लाइक हैंड ओनली. नेल आपका उंगली में होता है, दे आर लेस देन 1 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ हाउ बिग इज माय हैंड? मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ योर थंब. Here which is thumb? This is thumb finger, and your little finger, thumb finger to little finger. Use the scale on this page. Which is longer, thumb or little finger? The length of the thumb or little finger is longer. Bring a measuring tape to your class and guess the length of different parts of your body and check if your guessing is correct or not. You can use a scale or string or measuring tape. These are the measuring tools. You can say scale, your scale, string, measuring tape. This is also available in the PT room. Measuring tape, or the tailor use measuring tape to measure the length of the cloth or dress. So which one is longer here, thumb or little finger? यूज स्केल. आपको स्केल लेकर इसको मेजर करना पड़ेगा. स्केल से ऐसा मेजर करना है इसको. व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द थंब, व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द लिटिल फिंगर, दैट यू कैन चेक योर सेल्फ यूजिंग द स्केल. स्केल से मेजर करना है. प्लास्टिक स्केल आपका घर में होगा, वो स्केल से इसको मेजर करना है. लेंथ ऑफ द little finger, this is little finger, it is thumb finger. How will you know the number of centimeter? If you measure with a rope or shoe string or thread, we can use the scale. When you use the rope, after measuring you have to keep the rope. Here the girl is measuring with the rope. एक रोप से वो मेजर कर रहा है. फिर क्या करना पड़ता है, वो रोप को लेकर हमारा स्केल में रखना पड़ेगा. स्केल में सिरे से लगकर कितना सेंटीमीटर रोप का लेंथ आ रहा है, ऐसा हम लोग मेजर कर सकता है. दिस गर्ल इज मेजरिंग विथ द टेप, मेजरिंग टेप वी कैन से, और रोप. यूजिंग दिस रोप वी कैन कीप इट ऑन द scale to measure it. This rope we have to keep the one end we have to keep to 0 zero of the scale, another end you have to stitch it and you have to keep it like this. Now how many centimeter it comes, that is the length of the rope. In that way you can measure the length of your head. It is easy to measure length of your hands, length of your height. Like that you can find the length using the stings, rope, anything you can use to measure it. Measuring nose, I want to measure the nose. My measurement is 3 centimeter. Using scale or you can use the rope. My friend's measurement is 3 centimeter. Around the wrist, my measurement is 12 centimeter. My friend's measurement is 11 centimeter. Around the head, मेरा हेड का मेजरमेंट 36 सेंटीमीटर. माई फ्रेंड्स का जो है 35 सेंटीमीटर. माई ईयर 5 सेंटीमीटर. लेंथ ऑफ माई ईयर इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. माई फ्रेंड्स ईयर इज ऑल्सो 5 सेंटीमीटर. हैंड लेंथ इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. माई फ्रेंड्स लेंथ इज 11 centimeter. His hand length is 11 centimeter. Compare your measurement with your friends. Who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? How we can measure the biggest head, smallest head? We have to use the scale. Instead of scale you can use the rope also. Because you can use the rope. Then that rope length you can measure with the scale. You can measure with the scale. Here to Anshul and the Dheeraj. So both are smallest head. Who has the smallest head among this? Anshul and Dheeraj. Who has the longest head from middle finger wrist? Middle finger to wrist, this much length. Who is the longest? Amina. Which is longer, your ear or nose? Normally your ear is longer. Is any of your nails more than 1 centimeter long? Yes, if some students have the length of nail may be more than 1 centimeter. Ghibli and the grains. Now ant ghibli, here is the ant, has to reach grains. Here is the grain. She is looking for the short road. Can you tell her which is the shortest road? ये ऐसा जाना पड़ता है, इधर आकर ऐसा कर फिर ऐसा आकर ऐसा, बहुत लंबा होता है. सी बी इसी ऐसा कर ऐसा ना ऐसा कर दे भी लेंथी होता है. सी अगेन इट इज लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. डी इसी very long distance to reach the seat. Now can you draw a shortest way to reach grains? We can draw, use the scale. Using scale we can draw shortest road. This is easiest way to reach the grains. Can you draw a road shorter than this? Yes. What is the length of that road? You can use the scale to measure the length of the road. Scale use कर इसको measure करना है. ये स्केल है ना 1 सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर 3 सेंटीमीटर स्कूल से मेजर कर यहाँ आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके. नाउ हाउ लॉन्ग इज ए मीटर? 1 मीटर ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू 100 सेंटीमीटर. 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. Here is the meter scale. The tailor is using the meter scale. Take 2 meters cloth for your kurta. I want to make a long kurta, so 2 meter you want. So how the shopkeeper will measure? Using the scale, that is meter scale. उसको बोलते हैं meter scale. Meter scale, m scale, meter scale. उसमें कितना सेंटीमीटर होता है? 100 सेंटीमीटर होता है. Our school also we have 100 meter scale. 100 meter माने 1 meter. 100 centimeter माने 1 meter. 100 centimeter 1 meter. That is here given. A meter means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. How many meters for a long shirt for me? The shopkeeper wants to give 2 meter is enough for the long skirt for you. Let us make a meter rope. How we can make a meter rope? Now here is a rope. You must have seen shopkeepers measuring cloth with a meter rod. use a meter rod and a rope, make a knot at one end. rope में आप एक end में एक knot डालना है and one end of the rope, keep the meter rod with the rope. ऐसा रखना पड़ता है, इधर से इधर तक ऐसा रखना है. 1 meter on the rope and make a knot there. So after measuring 1 meter, put another knot. यहाँ एक knot डालो. Now the length between the two knots, in first knot a second knot का length is 1 meter. This is your meter rope. इसको meter rope बोलते हैं. If you don't get a meter rod, use a measuring tape and mark 100 centimeter on the rope. रोप लेकर आप 100 सेंटीमीटर मेजर कर सकता है. 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर, दैट इज 1 मीटर. नाउ लुक एट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस प्लेसेस. दीज आर द प्लेसेस गिवन: फतेहपुर, आगरा, बाबरपुर फॉरेस्ट, ताजमहल, रिवर यमुना, आगरा कैन, ताज फॉरेस्ट. दीज आर द प्लेसेस. हियर इट इज गिवन. फॉर किलोमीटर्स वी राइट km. किलोमीटर्स को km बोलता है, मीटर को m बोलता है, मीटर m, किलोमीटर माने km. नाउ आगरा कैंट रेलवे स्टेशन टू ताजमहल 5 किलोमीटर. ताजमहल टू आगरा रेलवे स्टेशन टू ताजमहल. आगरा कैंट रेलवे स्टेशन. Where is Agra Cant railway station? Here. Railway station to Taj Mahal. How many meter? 5 kilometer, not meter, 5 kilometer, km. Taj Mahal to Agra 2 kilometer. Taj Mahal to Agra, Agra Fort 2 kilometer. Okay. Then Agra Fort to Fatehpur. Agra Fort to Fatehpur 40 kilometer, 40. Okay. Now which is farther from Agra Can? Agra Can से कौन सा सिटी बहुत दूर में है? This symbol in map shows that it is railway line. रेलवे लाइन को ऐसा सिंबल बोलते हैं. रेलवे लाइन माने ऐसा लाइन खींचकर इसको रेलवे लाइन, ऐसा लाइन डालने में से इसको रेलवे लाइन बोलते हैं. रोड के लिए ऐसा नहीं करते, ये रोड को ऐसा करता है, रोड. दिस इज रोड बट दिस इज रेलवे लाइन. सो दिस शोज द रेलवे लाइन. विच ऑफ दिस इज नियरर टू रेलवे लाइन? रेलवे लाइन के पास में कौन सा है? बाबरपुर फॉरेस्ट और ताजमहल, विच इज वेरी नियरर टू रेलवे स्टेशन. हियर इट इज वेरी, दिस फॉरेस्ट एरिया इज वेरी दूर, बहुत लंबा है. सो विच वन इज वेरी नियरर टू आगरा रेलवे स्टेशन? आगरा कैंट. फतेहपुर सिकरी इज फार्दर फ्रॉम आगरा कैंट रेलवे स्टेशन. ओके. The forest is nearer to the railway station. Babarpur forest is nearer to the railway station. Agra Fort is nearer to the railway station. Agra Fort. Where is Agra Fort? Agra Fort is nearer to the railway station. This one also nearer to the railway station because it is railway line. Here railway station. Agra Fort or Taj Mahal, which is closer to the river Yamuna? River Yamuna, here it is river Yamuna. Which is closer? Taj Mahal is very closer to river Yamuna. Taj Mahal is very closer to river Yamuna. Like that, by seeing the map, this is the map. By seeing map, we can identify which is nearer to the railway station, or which is nearer to the river, or which is nearer to the forest. Like that we can find out this. Now here we learn about the kilometer. Meter, centimeter, millimeter. These standard units we have studied in this chapter. millimeter से थोड़ा पड़ा, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, देन किलोमीटर. 10 millimeter 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 1 meter. Like that we can find the measures of the unit. Match the correct length. Draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. For example, length of the earthworm. Length of the earthworm may be 10 centimeter, not more than that. Height of a child, 1 meter. Child ka height. Width of a fingernail, maybe 1 centimeter. Fingernail. Now, width of a fingernail. Length of a saree, maybe 5 meters. और मम्मी का saree 5 meters length होता है. School, distance from home to school, maybe 2 kilometer or 3 kilometer or 5 kilometer. Like that you can match correctly. The long tail competition. The animals in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail won a prize. Now you see the animals here: elephant, cow, big monkey. Now who do you think won the prize and who won the second prize? Just guess the length of the longest tail. I think monkey won the first prize. You see the length of the tail of monkey is more than the other animals. The longest tail is about 1 meter long. A monkey ka tail may be 1 meter long. The second position, do you know who may be? The cow. So that you have to draw. The cow tail may be the second. Is second position. It's the first position. So who won the competition? Monkey. Monkey's tail is longer than cow. Like that you can find easily. Thank you.